So today I'll be showing you how to fix the colors on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G in case the user interface has weird colors or it's probably even black and white. How do you fix this problem? So I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do to try and address this. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So one of the first things you want to check is the vision enhancement settings. So you can swipe up and go to settings, and then under settings, scroll down and go to accessibility, tap on that, and then go to vision enhancements. So here, check if there's anything enabled, whether intentionally or unintentionally. So for instance, you can see color inversion is enabled. So go ahead and turn that off. Now you can see that fixes part of the problem, but the screen is still black and white. So the other thing you want to check is if you have the color filter. Okay, so you can see color filter is on for me. So I'll turn that off. That also helps, but doesn't fix the problem. Everything is still black and white. The other thing you want to check is color correction. So make sure you turn off color correction. You could have one of the color corrections set to grayscale. So just disable color correction, and you can see already things are getting almost back to normal. We have some color on the screen. So going back, you can see everything is now back to normal. Now, the other thing you want to check is a focus mode, like sleep mode. So you might have sleep mode turning black and white or grayscale on or off when sleep mode is enabled. So you want to go to settings. Let's go back to the main settings page and then check on modes and routines and check if you have any mode or routine enabled. Usually sleep mode sometimes does turn on grayscale mode, which basically turns your screen black and white. So make sure sleep mode is not enabled. And once you do that, one of those should fix your problem. In fact, tell us in the comment section which of these solutions fixed your problems. And if you have any comments or questions, you can simply talk to us down there. Thanks for watching and good luck.